I wanted to let everybody know about a new feature that we've added to Realvolve to make your job easier and make data entry more accurate. I'm happy to announce Realvolve Automation. Realvolve currently has two automation settings which update the value of specific fields when other field values in the database have changed. To turn on the automation, go into Settings, Automation. There's Category Automation. For many years, I've taught the strategy of using ABCD categories to determine the importance of contacts to you. If a contact has given you a referral, then the category of that contact might be set to B. If the contact has given multiple referrals to you, then we've assigned it to A because they're important to your business. If you're using the ABCs in a different manner, you can leave this automation off. With field automation, it's automatically updating the contact type, stage, and contact status as the relationship naturally progresses. The rules that we use to change this field can be found at http://go.realvolve.com/automation, or simply click on the link. The main emphasis is moving the contacts through the different stages of aware, know, like, and trust. Prior to this enhancement, you were required to adjust the values manually, which took time. Now these fields can be automatically updated as the relationship is being nurtured and other fields are being changed. Here's an example. A contact which was added to your database from a lead generation website should be assigned as stage aware and status suspect. The best practice is to start a workflow which automatically starts the nurturing process. As you begin finding out more information about this contact, you might assign them to a tag of seller or buyer. At this point, the new automation process automatically upgrades the contact from suspect to prospect and the stage from aware to know, because you now have started the qualification process and know of their needs. They will eventually be upgraded from lead and then to client. When the contact is assigned to the People tab of a property or transaction as either a seller or a buyer, they are upgraded from a prospect or lead to client automatically, and the stage is set to like. Typically, people do business with you because they like you. If they've done more than one transaction with you, it's typically because they trust you, and we change the contact stage to trust. Once the transaction is closed, then the contact status is automatically changed from client to past client if you represent them. To explain this better, the automation process checks the contact status to determine if you represent the seller, the buyer, or both. When adding a seller or buyer that you represent, the status is changed to client. When adding a seller or buyer that you do not represent, the contact status is now changed to hidden. This status allows you to filter out or hide contacts which you do not represent. They're not your contact, but they are still accessible in the database if needed. When adding an agent to the People tab, the contact status is assigned to agent. When adding any other contact to the People tab, the contact status is set to vendor. That'd be your appraisers, your lenders, those types of contacts. So as you can see, there are several new automation features which will allow you to make your data entry process much easier and help keep your data clean. If you have additional questions, please visit our help site or email our support team. Have a great day.